Hi, this is Noemi from Jackie Bean, and today I'll show you the knit stitch.
So I have my cast on stitches on my needle. I'm going to grab that with my left hand. I'm going to wrap the working yarn around my index finger. So cast on stitches in left hand, empty needle is in right hand. And now I'm going to insert my right needle into the first stitch coming from left to right. I'm going to wrap this yarn around my needle counterclockwise, and now I'm going to pull through this little loop here and drop the stitch over to my right needle. Let me show you again. I'm going to go into this stitch from left to right. I'm going to wrap the yarn around the right needle counterclockwise. I'm helping with my index finger to kind of hold this yarn down and pull it through this little loop here, and just make sure that it nicely goes over to my right needle. I'm going to go into this stitch with my right needle from left to right, and then I'm going to wrap this yarn around my right needle counterclockwise, and I'm going to pull the stitch over the loop over to my right needle.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and leave all your questions in the comments below. You can find all the yarn I used in this video on my website at jackiebean.com. Thank you for watching!